Intro. Welcome back to another earnings breakdown. Today, we are analyzing the Q4 FY26 standalone financial results for HDB Financial Services. Let's dive straight into the numbers. Dividend. Starting with investor rewards for the year. The Board of Directors has recommended a final dividend of 2 rupees per equity share. This translates to a solid payout on a face value of 10 rupees per share. A nice bonus for shareholders. Total income. Looking straight at the top-line performance. Total revenue from operations came in at 4,745.4 crore rupees for the quarter. That represents a solid jump of 11.2% year-on-year. Quarter-on-quarter, the top line grew by a steady 1.5%. Consistent loan disbursement and strong credit demand seem to be driving this steady upward growth trajectory. Expenses. Moving over to the operational cost side. Total expenses for the quarter stood at 3,734.2 crore rupees. Finance costs accounted for a major chunk at 1,682.5 crore rupees, while employee benefits costs came in at 970.5 crore rupees. This shows a very controlled and calculated expansion in their overall overheads. EBITDA. Focusing on the core operational front. Calculated EBITDA stood at 2,748 crore rupees, which translates to a very healthy margin of 57.9%. This marks an impressive 14.1% year-on-year growth and a 5.1% quarter-on-quarter improvement. The margins indicate that their operational efficiency continues to scale incredibly well alongside the growing lending book. PBT. Now let us examine the pre-tax profits. Profit before tax hit a strong 1,011.2 crore rupees. That is an impressive 43.6% jump compared to the exact same period last year, and a 17.5% rise from the previous quarter. PAT. Looking closely at the absolute bottom line, net profit for the quarter was an impressive 750.6 crore rupees, registering a massive 41.4% growth on a year-on-year basis, and a solid 16.6% growth quarter-on-quarter. Furthermore, the PAT margin stands incredibly solid at 15.8%. This is a fantastic display of translating revenues directly into retained earnings. EPS. Breaking all of this down on a per-share basis. Basic EPS came in at 9.04 rupees for the quarter. That is up a significant 35.5% from the 6.67 rupees reported last year. A clear and direct translation of net profit growth into tangible shareholder value. Summary. To wrap it all up simply, HDB Financial Services delivered an exceptionally strong fourth quarter for FY26. The revenue trend is extremely steady, with 11.2% year-on-year growth. The PAT trend is highly robust, surging by 41.4%, and operating margins remain structurally healthy across the board. Overall, a solid quarter, reflecting strong retail credit demand and very tight operational cost controls. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult